Hello everyone, we all are praying for your good health and we are here in another video of pronouns. This is a video which you will get some exercises along with the answers, and you will also hear the explanation of reciprocal pronouns and indefinite pronouns. So let's start this video and come to the topic. Reciprocal pronouns. Reciprocal pronouns refer to pronouns that indicate actions going in one direction and also in the opposite direction. So, this pronoun indicates that the actions are taking place from both the side. This is very important to understand the different reciprocal pronouns. I remember in maths we all study fractions and we study reciprocal. For an example, 1 by 8, if it is a fraction, then we write the reciprocal 8 by 1. So it is just opposite. In English, it is the both side. The actions are taking place in both the sides. To make you more clear about reciprocal pronouns, let's take some examples. The teacher scolded Rani and Ritu since they were talking to each other. So the teacher scolded. Why? Because Rani and Ritu, they both were talking to each other. Rani was also talking to Ritu and Ritu was also talking to Rani. So the action was taking place from both the sides. We should help one another in crisis. Means there are more than two people, so we have used one another. It says that the action, the help should come and it should reach from both the side. So that is why this sentence explains about the action which is taking place from different sides or from both the sides, here and here from different sides. So this is a reciprocal pronouns. Students, this is important. You please remember this. Each other and one another are reciprocal pronouns. You all will remember, wherever you will see each other and one another, you will recognize all these two as reciprocal pronouns. Each other is used when two people are involved. When there are two people, then we will use each other. And when there are more than two people, then we will use one another. So it is like that. When we try to understand between and among, when we are talking about two persons, then we use between, and when we are talking more than two persons, we use among. It goes like that. Each other is used when two people are involved, and one another is used when more than two people are involved. I am talking to my students and they are talking to one another. So there are many students, so I have used one another. I have scolded my students because they both were talking to each other. So there are two students, so each other is used, and more students are there, so one another is used here. Indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns are the pronouns that refers to one or more unspecified beings, object or places. For an example, I have bought everything. Everything means there is not any certain thing which we are talking about. There may be so many things. There may be 2, 3 or 4, 5 things. It's not certain. It's not specified object or it does not deal with the specified places. Let's take an example of indefinite pronouns. All is a indefinite pronoun, and there are many other indefinite pronouns we can look at here in this box. Any, another, anybody, anyone, anything, each, many, no one, none, few, little, one, other, several, some, more, somebody, someone, something, everybody, everyone, everything, nothing. So all these are the indefinite pronouns. So students, wherever you see all these words, you are to understand these are indefinite pronouns. Let's take an exercise and we'll try to check that either we have understood this or not. As I have marked the answer here, so you can do it before watching this video on your book, and then after you can check your answers watching this video, as I have done the answers for you. Does this have a pencil? So what will be there in the blank? Anyone. Does anyone have a pencil? Rima bought everything she liked at the fair. Means there is not any certain things, there is unspecified thing. Means she has bought many things. So we have used everything here in the blank. Right here we have to use each of you must bring a bottle of water. I did not see anybody from my school at the science festival. I did not see anybody. Here somebody from the management should give us information about the situation. Either of you can come along with me to the principal's room. Though many movies are running in the theater, I don't want to see any of them. So these are the answers. You have to choose the correct answer and you have to write in the blank. So students, this will be your homework. You please do it and write it on your English 1 notebook, and you may send it on dashboard. It is very important to do the homeworks. It will keep you very active at home. Fill in the blanks with appropriate pronouns and write their types. The first one has been done for you. So we will talk about the types of nouns we have studied till now. This is the last exercise of this chapter. Seema, who is my classmate, has shifted to our neighborhood. This is a relative pronoun as who is used just before a noun. Who is used just after a noun. So this will be a relative pronoun as we have discussed in the previous video about the relative pronouns. Do you want to speak to me? Do you recognize me? What kind of pronoun it is? It is a personal pronoun. I myself heard her say that. It is used as emphatic pronoun. This is the dress which was bought by aunt. So dress just after the noun, this is used, so it is a relative pronoun. It was a cold and dark night. It is a personal pronoun. He expressed, again it is a personal pronoun. We often deceive ourselves. This is reflexive pronoun because it has an effect upon the subject. Means who is deceived? means the people, those who are in the subject, they are deceived. So it has an effect upon the subject. Suman had got gifts for herself. It has, Suman is talking about herself, means herself has an effect upon Suman. So we will write here that it is a reflexive pronoun. So students, this is about the pronouns. You should go through this chapter again and again, because pronouns are very important in English, and it should be used in the proper place. If you listen to these, or if you listen to all the videos that you are getting, you will definitely learn more about pronouns. So hope you will also do this exercise on your notebook and you will send it on dashboard. Keep praying for one another's health, and we will meet in the classroom very soon. But till the time, you all are supposed to listen to the videos you are getting on YouTube, and you should do the homeworks. Take care of yourself. Thank you for listening. Bye.